Seen people asking about the TIDRADIO TD-H9, how to remove the battery. The battery's a little bit different on some of these radios. If you're used to some of their other models, they're more popular H3 Plus like this, the batteries are easier to get off. Most of them just have a little push button on the bottom. You can just easily squeeze it with your finger, slide the battery out, comes right apart, click it back in. But this TD-H9 is a little stiffer and it has a different type of latch on it. On the bottom of this, as you can see, it doesn't have that push button that most have. It's got a flap on it. So this portion right here needs to be popped down, but it's extremely tight. Most of these radios, and I've tried a couple of them, when you try to push this with your fingernail, you can snap a fingernail off. It's so tight with it. So you need to get something stiff to keep from breaking the nail and put up under this little ridge and just force it up, pop it up, and then it'll come right off. So it's a little different setup with it. You have to put it in, click that back down tight. But unless you take this on and off maybe 20 or 30 times to sort of wear it down and loosen it up, you're probably going to have to use something like this to click it open. But a lot of people don't even know what to do with it. They try to slide it back and forth, move it around to get it to come out. But you really just got to push straight down from this little portion on the back to get it to come loose. So hopefully that helps some people out. Thanks for watching.